Okay, so let me show you how I install my Luxys. I like to section my hair every inch or so. I like to start at the bottom with a 3-clip hairpiece. After it's in, let's move on to the next section. Like I said, I section every inch or so, and the next piece is a 4-clip hairpiece right above it. Something I love to do is brush my hair out along the way to make sure it all blends. I know we're all different, but I love to do my install with 3-piece, 4-piece, 4-piece, and 3-piece. Once those are all in, let's move on to the 2 clips. I like to section my hair off right at the temple and apply my 2-piece at an angle to make it look more natural. Because I have shorter hair, I love to place my 1-clip pieces closer to the front for a seamless blend. Once everything is in, I'll do a final brush to make sure everything blends. And that's how I love to install my classic 16-inch clip-in hair extensions. Best worn daily, classic is a set that never goes out of style. Thanks for watching.